Hello, hello. This is Sir David DeBar. Yeah, I'm coming to you from Duke University, home of parapsychology. Yes, father of psychology, J.B. Rhine, and the Bard knew each other. Okay, we have something very special for you today. You know the Bard has an ability to do very few things. Hopefully some or many things. Okay, what we're going to do here is we're going to set up the Bard doing a little DJ work. Coming up here with an oldie. Oh,
hello, baby.
Hello.
This is the big bopper speaking.
This is the Bard. Oh, yes.
Oh, you sweet thing.
You sweet thing.
Do I want?
Oh, I do.
Will I? Oh, baby.
Oh, baby. You know what I like.
Chantilly lace and a pretty face.
Ain't that ponytail?
Hanging down. A wiggle in the walk and a wiggle in the talk.
Oh,
make the world go round, round, round. There ain't nothing in the world like a big-eyed girl to make me act so funny, make me spend my money, make me feel real loose like a long-neck girl, like a girl.
Oh, baby, is what I like. Oh, yeah. Now we gotta cut this down, folks. We gotta cut this down. How fun? No, we gotta cut it down. Cut it down. Bring her down. Bring her down. Oh, yeah. Oh, we don't want it down. We gotta turn that sucker off or we're gonna get sued. I think you can use part of a song. And we use the part, so hopefully we didn't tread on anybody's copyright law. And here I am, I'm looking back at myself, and oh shit, that's scary. But I just wanted to let you know that ponytail hanging down, and a wiggle when she talks, and a giggle. No, I think it's a giggle when she talks, and a wiggle when she walks. That makes my world go round, round, round. Let's see if YouTube or the Dan Heights get me for using a little bit. It was just a demonstration.